Welcome back to Mahimood Tech. You know, it's crazy to think about how much tech changes in just a year, let alone a few. Remember when we were all worried about the metaverse taking over? Well, the future of social is always evolving, and today, we're diving headfirst into the latest social media apps of 2025 that are already shaking things up. If you're looking for the next big platform to connect with friends, create awesome content, or even grow your audience, you're definitely in the right place. Stay tuned. We're about to break down some seriously cool apps. First up, we've got Tapestry. This isn't your grandma's social media, well, actually maybe it is. Tapestry brings back the classic timeline, that simple chronological feed that shows you what you followed for in the first place. Remember, when you could actually see everything your friends or favorite creators were posting without getting lost in a sea of suggested content and ads? Tapestry is all about giving you back that control. But it's not just about nostalgia. Tapestry also brings some seriously smart features to the table like keyword muting. Tired of seeing posts about a certain topic? Just mute it and boom, it's gone from your feed. Plus, you can create custom feeds based on your interests, making it super easy to stay up to date on the things you actually care about. Honestly, this might be the future of social done right. Next, we're moving from the world of feeds to the world of, well, getting things done in the real world. This is Apple Invites, and no, it's not just another calendar app. This is Apple's take on social planning, and it's all about making events, big or small, way easier to manage. Think birthday parties, team meetings, even that weekend trip you've been trying to plan. Apple Invites streamlines it all. And the best part, it's seamlessly integrated with Apple Maps and Calendar. So imagine getting an invite, seeing the location pinned right on your map and adding it to your schedule with a single tap. No more back and forth texts or missed reminders. Apple Invites keeps everyone on the same page. Plus, knowing Apple, it probably looks really, really good. Alright, let's talk about something a little different. If you're tired of the big tech giants controlling your every move online, then you need to know about Bluesky. This app is the brainchild of Twitter's ex-CEO, Jack Dorsey, and it's built on a decentralized network. Now, I know what you're thinking. Decentralized? What does that even mean? Basically, it means more privacy, no more creepy data tracking, and most importantly, you have full control over your content. No more worrying about your data being sold or your account getting randomly suspended. Bluesky puts the power back in your hands. And the best part? It's not just some tech demo, people are actually using it. It's gaining popularity fast, and it might just be the future of a more open and secure social media experience. Finally, let's talk about something for the visually inclined. If you're a fan of beautiful imagery, curated aesthetics, and just generally pleasing content, then you need to check out Lemonade. This app is like if Pinterest and Instagram had a baby, and that baby was really good at design. We're talking stunning visuals, creative layouts, and a focus on storytelling that's perfect for content creators, tech enthusiasts, foodies, fashionistas, basically anyone who loves to share their passions with the world. And because it's all about visuals, you don't have to be a wordsmith to make your mark. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? On Lemonade, it might be worth even more. So there you have it, 4 new social media apps in 2025 that are changing the game. From the nostalgic simplicity of Tapestry to the decentralized future of Bluesky, there's something here for everyone. Honestly, it's exciting to see how social media is evolving, and I can't wait to see what these apps do next. That's it for today's list of new social media apps in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mahimood Tech for more tech updates. See you in the next video.